Bigg Boss 18 Weekend Ka Vaar, 8 November 2024. Ekta Kapoor calls out Sara Arfeen Khan's fake act to avoid eviction. Ekta Kapoor took over hosting duties for Bigg Boss 18's Weekend Ka Vaar episode, temporarily replacing Salman Khan. Ekta Kapoor took Salman Khan's place on Friday's episode of Bigg Boss 18's Weekend Ka Vaar. Her appearance served multiple purposes, but the highlight was her demonstration that Sara Arfeen Khan's violent behavior towards Vivian Dsena, stemming from her dismissal as time god, was motivated by a desire to avoid eviction. After initial resistance, Sara eventually acknowledged this to some extent. The episode also featured other significant developments within the Bigg Boss 18 house. Ekta Kapoor casting for Naagin. Ekta Kapoor considered several actresses for the role of Naagin. She also extended auditions to male actors, including Vivian Dsena and Rajat Tokas, before ultimately selecting Sara Khan for the part. Vivian Dsena and Rajat Dalal's popularity. This week, Vivian and Rajat were again the most popular, so they had to compete against each other. The other contestants had to choose who was better in the game. Vivian won, and Rajat got salty, saying that since Vivian's in power now, everyone's gonna suck up to him. Ekta Kapoor on Vivian Dsena. Ekta's saying she's into Vivian, but she's wondering what's up with him being so distant. She's like, why does he always run away from conversations? He needs to be more upfront and say what's on his mind. Ekta Kapoor on Rajat Dalal. Ekta called out Rajat for his hypocrisy, saying he defends women's honor but also uses insults referencing women, like mother and sister. She warned him that if he dared to disrespect her father, she would give him a serious beating when they got home. Ekta Kapoor on Chahat Pandey's women card. Ekta Kapoor had a chat with Chahat Pandey about how she's been playing the woman card a bit too much. Ekta basically said that women are fighting for equality, so asking for special treatment kinda goes against that whole idea. The whole episode was pretty sarcastic, with Ekta basically telling Chahat to stop using the woman card as an excuse. Sara Arfeen Khan vs Ekta Kapoor. Ekta Kapoor basically exposed Sara Arfeen Khan for playing the game just to get nominated. Sara, after a bit of resistance, admitted that she decided to play the game strategically instead of acting like a victim. Ekta then wrapped up the episode and handed things over to Rohit Shetty for Saturday's Bigg Boss 18 Weekend Ka Vaar episode.